Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com.
Whoa. I got a question. Yeah.
Okay.
How is it that you are always the one opening these boxes and I'm the one doing the camera?
Well,
Why do you get the fun part? You get to open the box and show everybody what's inside, and you're like Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I'm like an elf.
Okay.
Why can't I be the Santa Claus and you be the elf?
Okay, first of all, opening the boxes involves using a knife. You're much too little to use the knife.
Maybe.
So, can I continue now?
Okay, go ahead. Okay, start at the top with Art. Hi, this is Art, ForeignMRE.com. Go ahead.
Well, you just said it for me.
Oh, okay. Now you say it.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we got 6 of these cases in the mail. We're going to open it up, see what we have. See, knife, you can't use it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, looks like a case of French 24-hour combat rations. This is menu number 14. Has the best before date of the 20th of October, 2020. So give us a minute. We've got 5 more cases. We'll get them all laid out, show you what we have. Okay, guys. Santa Art's back with Nina the Elf operating the camera. Here's what we have. We have 12 of the menu number 14s, October the 20th, 2020. We have 12 of the menu 13s, July 24th, 2020. We have 12 of the menu number 1s, September the 26th, 2020. Here we have menu number 3, August the 23rd, 2020. And here we have menu number 2, July 11th, 2020. And when we were laying these out, in the box, one of these had been opened. So we took a picture of it, sent it to the vendor. Nina's already got these on the website, so you can get your fresh, discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and leave us some comments. Thanks to Nina for working the camera. Thanks for watching.